Once you pray like this, universe will bless you with your wishes. Hello and welcome to new video. Did you know that silent prayer can be one of the most powerful secrets to achieving your goals and dreams? In this video, we will explore how you can practice silent prayer every night and get in the right mindset to receive all the blessings you deserve. So let's start. When we pray in silence, we reach a level of relaxation that decreases the impact of the outside world and increases the likelihood that internal guidance will be heard. Because of the similarity between this state and the one we experience just before sleep, silent prayer is so powerful. However, it's not only about requesting what you want, it's also about how you get ready to get it. As the famous saying goes, whatever you ask for, believing you have received it, you shall have it. That is the key to believe that your prayers have already been fulfilled. Sleep and prayer are both ways to access the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the part of our mind that is responsible for our beliefs, habits, and behaviors. It's where our desires and goals are stored, and where they can be realized through the power of visualization and suggestion. When we pray, we are essentially communicating with a higher power or universal consciousness. It's important to find a quiet and private place where you can shut out any distractions and focus solely on your prayer. This is why it's often recommended to pray in a quiet room or even in nature, where you can feel more connected to the universe. In the Bible, it says when you pray, enter your room, and when you have shut your door, pray to your Father who is in secret, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you publicly. This is a reminder to pray in private, where you can be fully present and focused on your prayer. When we shut out the outside world and focus on our inner thoughts and feelings, we become more receptive to the suggestions that come from within. Prayer is an illusion of sleep that diminishes the impact of the outside world and opens the mind to inner guidance. Similar to the feeling we get just before going to sleep, the mind is relaxed and open during prayer. What you ask for in prayer is less important than how you get ready to receive it. You will obtain whatever you ask for while believing you already have it. Your belief that the prayers have already been answered is the only requirement. If you assume the emotion that would be yours if you had achieved your aim, then your prayer must be heard. The subconscious devises a plan to carry out the goal as soon as you accept it as a done deal. In order to pray effectively, you must yield to your desires, which implies experiencing them as satisfied. A man with great discipline is always aware of desire as a reality. He is aware that reality simply exists as consciousness. As real as objects in space, ideas and feelings are realities of consciousness. Because feelings are the drivers of actions and events in his life, he never experiences a feeling that does not add to his happiness. On the other hand, the disorganized man finds it difficult to accept what the senses contradict and typically accepts or rejects primarily on the basis of the senses' outward manifestations. Before you start praying, you must dismiss your senses because of their propensity to provide proof. When you're in the "I wish I could, but I can't" frame of mind, you attempt harder and have less success in achieving the desire. You never attract what you want, but you always attract what you are conscious of being. Prayer is the art of assuming the feeling of being and having what you want. When the senses confirm the absence of desire, all conscious efforts to counter the suggestion are futile and tend to intensify the suggestion. Prayer is the art of yielding to desire and not forcing desire. When a want and a sensation clash, the feeling always prevails. Always, the dominant emotion will come out. It must be easy to pray. It is deadly to make an effort to define a mental attitude that rejects the senses. You must induce a passive state, a sort of contemplative fantasy or reflection, akin to the feeling that comes before sleep, in order to successfully yield to the request as an accomplished actuality. By assuming the experience of having your request fulfilled in this condition, You are releasing your desire to the universe and believing that it will come to you in the most beneficial way. The first step in practicing silent prayer is to find a quiet and peaceful place where you can sit and relax without any distractions. This could be a quiet room in your home or a peaceful outdoor spot like a park or garden. You want to choose a place where you feel comfortable and can focus your attention inward without any outside interference. Once you have found a quiet place, the next step is to sit comfortably. You want to choose a position that feels natural and allows you to relax. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion or mat. The important thing is to find a comfortable position that allows you to focus on your inner world without any physical discomfort. Once you have found a comfortable position, the next step is to close your eyes. Closing your eyes helps you to shut out any external distractions and focus your attention inward. It also allows you to create a sense of inner space where you can connect with your deeper self. Before you begin your silent prayer, take a few deep breaths to help you relax and calm your mind. Breathing deeply helps to slow down your heart rate and relax your body, making it easier to focus on your inner world. Now that you are relaxed and centered, it's time to focus on your intention. This is the purpose or goal of your silent prayer. It could be to achieve a specific goal, release negative emotions, or connect with your higher self. Whatever your intention, focus your attention on it and allow it to fill your mind and heart. To help you maintain your focus, you can repeat a mantra or affirmation. This is a phrase or sentence that reinforces your intention and helps you to stay centered. Some examples of mantras or affirmations that you could use are: I am calm and centered. I am one with the universe. I release all negative thoughts and emotions. Choose a mantra or affirmation that resonates with you and repeat it silently to yourself throughout your silent prayer. As you continue to focus on your intention, begin to visualize it in your mind's eye. See yourself achieving your goal or experiencing the emotions that come with it. Imagine it as if it has already happened, and feel the joy and gratitude that comes with it. Finally, it's important to let go and trust the universe to bring your intention to fruition. Release any attachment or expectation to the outcome and trust that the universe will bring you what you need. Remember that the universe works in mysterious ways, and that sometimes what we think we want is not what we need. Trust the process and have faith that everything will work out for your highest good. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.